So this play is a lot of plays of Shakespeare in one single play, but basically it's plays like Romeo and Juliet, Hamlet, Antony and Cleopatra, Othello, and made it into a fun and like fast-moving play instead of the boring kind of slow Shakespeare you would think of Shakespeare plays as. It's really funny and a fun thing to do and watch. So, Romeo and Juliet, there's Antony and Cleopatra, Othello and Hamlet, and many others, but they basically use it into more of a modern context. So it's less of like the Shakespeare literature, which is very confusing and lots of kids wouldn't understand. So I think it does do Shakespeare justice because it's really different from any other plays.
Yeah. From forth the fatal loins of these two foes,
a pair of star-crossed lovers take their life.
So I play Tableau Caesar, Benvolio, Laertes, male twin, Iago. Well, I'd say my favorite character would be Laertes because I find him pretty funny in my opinion. I feel I act best with him.
Training for this many characters is pretty difficult at times, but it's also really fun because you get to learn the backstory of each of these characters and then build on that. So it's really fun.
Yeah, so there's a lot of hilarious things in this play. We got like people playing these amazing roles that are funny.
It's really fun to be in this play because there's so many different characters and so many different plots, and they all kind of mesh into one. So instead of it being kind of boring with one storyline, you have so many other characters that you can build on, and it's really fun for the audience too because we get the audience into it sometimes, and we also like use some footnotes to like explain for the audience, so it's really fun in that way too. I think we're kind of like a family, the cast and crew, because we do a lot of warm-ups together, we work together, we do a lot of like team building. So yeah, I think it's really coming together as like a little family.
I'd say everyone is believing in this show. I think like everyone really takes like a big part of it, like take it really seriously, just want to make sure like they do well, and impress the audience. It makes me feel good because everyone's working together as a team to make a funny show.
So I think everyone should definitely come see the show because it is so different from anything you've seen before. It's really fun and really outgoing, and if you think like it'll be really boring because it's all Shakespeare plays, it's definitely not like that because we do lots of different looks on it and different views. So I definitely think it's really fun and definitely people should come see the show.
Yeah, it'd be entertaining, it'd be funny. Like there'd be like a lot of things in this play you'd probably never forget. We hope to see you at the show on November 14th to 16th.